So we now come up on a scene where we are building. Alright, so people, so we out here building on a construction site. I'm just gonna take you through to show you the process, right, of building a home in Trinidad and Tobago. Alright, so doing a little bit of construction. This is what it is about, lining up the work. Yeah, so we have the workers on that side. We have the original steel bender down below. They're bending some steel, right, and the guys up in the top binding the steel. We have a couple mats. So these mats are for the columns, 3x3, right, and we have a lot of the ground beams running there. Yeah, it's work time. Yeah, so they line up. We have strings running here. These strings give an idea of where you dig out. You have the excavator man doing some work up there, digging out the thing. We have a bong. Tell them you're the original. Yes. Oh no, nah, this is the original steel bender here. Right. Hear about water bender, air bender, right, earth bender. This is steel bender right here. Right? This is the guy tying up the steel. Whenever you back there walking on the tying up too. You don't know how it is, right? So this is the work shed. Yeah, so this is the piece of land here that we're doing. And this is the boss. His name is Freddy Cougar. Right? He don't kill nobody though. But anyways. Already tie out the steel. Basically these are the columns we need. About 16 columns. We need the mats. The mat is for the side post, well, for all the posts. So the mat goes first and then these go above. Right, so all of these are the columns. The mat is for the columns and these are also for the columns. And then we have, you wouldn't see, but below these have the ground beams running. So they also made the ground beams. So this is what we call cow itch. What are you doing here, Freddy?
Lining out the columns and trench.
Lining out the columns and trench. Column butts trench. We're putting sand so that the backhoe man can actually see where to dig out. It's like a light in the daytime for the backhoe man. And it's looking real nice. Look down the line, you see how it well lined up, really nice. So we're here in the night and we are working all night. So far we have, these men are working hard, very hard. So the columns are dug out. Let's see if I can get a flash. Right, so we have the columns dug out on this side. Right, that's for the ground beam on that side. We have the big light shining there. Let me see if I could get that off. So we have a big light set up. Right, we have a big light set up and these guys are working double time. Right, so we're getting the work done basically. Right, so we're on the site again today and all the holes are now dug out. They worked until 10 p.m. that night. Let me just get below there and show you all. So we're now dug out Right, the holes just need to be squared up and cleaned. The entire place is dug out on that side and on that side. So we're ready to rumble very soon. We'll be putting on the steel and the blocks. Action! Ready go, action, action!
Hey, don't jump on the best friend.
So we have the whole place now finally dig out. Checking this side. So it's just a line up, straighten up. And win again. Yeah. House done taking off, man. Rah. And the original steel bending. Bend. Woo. Bounce it. Go again. Yeah. Last one. Put your body into it. Right. Put your body into it. So now you gotta get it to squeezing. You could just press it down. You can't do that. You got thing in. Nah, leave it there. Them gonna do it. You can't do that. What's she doing? Alright, your hand nasty. Go down and wash your hand now. So you bend your steel. Stand out with your steel and smile. Whoop, whoop. Let the man them know it's Friday. The man them dig out already, you know. Watch them, watch them. They don't dig out, they don't line up. Yeah. All of the things coming, boy. Let's see that everything coming. Good. Looking good. Action, action. So, truck just came and drop off some stuff. So the truck is leaving now. Yeah. Right. So you're trying to get the 3x3 for the mat to rest down properly. Mat will be 3x3, so that means you have to make it bigger than 3x3. Them fellas and them doing up a column. Yeah. Action, action! No time for sticking. Work!